All right, let's unbox the Google Chromecast. The official proper title is Chromecast with Google TV. Now, this is just going to be a simple unboxing. I'm going to leave all the specs and all that good stuff in the video description for those that want to know all that. So here's the device itself. It comes in white, blue, and I believe pink at the moment. There's a rubber type coating on the device and the remote itself, and also the power brick. The coating feels kind of soft to the touch. It's like this soft rubber feel to it, but it feels like pleasant in the hands. The remote has some power options and a volume up and down option on the side there, but you do have to link your TV to your Chromecast with Google TV before you can use those options. And the remote takes AAA batteries, and of course you get that power cord and the power brick, and also some batteries that's already included in the box for you. Now the setup, I'm not gonna lie to you, it's gonna take a while, like about 20 to 30 minutes to set everything up. I know it sounds bad, but it's mostly just waiting for like the updates to download and stuff like that. But after you're done waiting for half an hour, you're greeted to your new Chromecast with Google TV homepage. I gotta get out of the habit of saying Google Chromecast, but the thing I like about this, they did include an apps only mode in the settings, so you can just go to your account and then go to the settings and then just set that up. And when you set that up, it's a more clean display, so you don't have all that stuff that you don't want to see in your face all the time. You'll still get that banner at the top, but you can just press the down button to get rid of that. And those apps you don't want, just highlight it, press and hold the select button, select view details, and just select uninstall. Now you truly have everything on your home page that you only want to see. And this brings me to my next topic. Now, I know everyone that's a part of the channel already know where I'm going with this, but we can silo apps on the the Chromecast with Google TV. Told y'all I gotta get a habit of saying that, but that'll be another video. Check the channel for that video. But for this one, this is all I have for you. Much love to each and every one of you. I'm your downloading pirate, and I'm out.